Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glass standing desks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Claks electric glass standing desk. This desk features a tempered glass tabletop, which not only adds a sleek, modern aesthetic to your workspace, but also provides a durable and easy-to-clean surface. The electric height adjustment allows you to seamlessly switch between sitting and standing with a range of 28.3 inches to 46.5 inches and 3 programmable presets for customized ergonomics. The build quality is solid, with an industrial-grade steeled frame ensuring stability during height transitions, while it supports up to 132 pounds, making it ideal for laptops, monitors, and accessories. The lack of additional storage or features like drawers slightly limits its versatility. Assembly is straightforward, requiring minimal tools and effort. Overall, the Claks desk is a great mid-range option for those seeking a compact standing desk with an elegant glass surface. Its smooth motor operation and modern design make it a worthy contender, but the smaller size and lack of storage may not suit users with more extensive workspace needs. Pros: sleek design, easy assembly, and programmable presets. Cons: limited storage and smaller surface area. At number 4, we have the Marcel glass standing desk, which is the budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $169.98, this desk offers excellent value for money. Its one-piece tempered glass top provides a durable and scratch-resistant surface that doubles as a dry erase board for jotting down ideas. The desk also features a 4-zone drawer for organizing office supplies, ensuring a clutter-free workspace. The height adjustment is smooth and spans from 28.3 inches to 46.4 inches, making it versatile for sitting or standing positions. While the build quality is reliable, with a sturdy steel frame tested for 50,000 lift cycles, it supports a slightly lower weight capacity of 110 pounds compared to higher-end models. Installation is hassle-free, thanks to detailed instructions and labeled hardware. This desk is perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone on a budget who needs an ergonomic setup without compromising on style. Pros: affordable price, integrated storage, and dry erase functionality. Cons: smaller dimensions and lower weight capacity compared to premium models. Taking the number 3 spot is the Ergonomic height adjustable electric standing desk. This desk boasts a spacious 48 by 24 inch surface, making it ideal for multi-monitor setups or users who require ample space for work essentials. Its electric height adjustment mechanism comes with 3 programmable presets, allowing you to effortlessly switch between sitting and standing positions. The standout feature of this desk is its solid steel frame with aerospace-grade connectors, which provide exceptional stability even at maximum height. The uprated motor operates smoothly and quietly, ensuring reliable performance over time. While this desk doesn't feature a glass top, its engineered wood surface offers durability and a modern aesthetic. Assembly is straightforward, with all necessary tools included. The Ergonomic desk strikes a balance between performance and practicality, making it a great choice for professionals or gamers. However, the absence of a tempered glass surface may be a drawback for those specifically seeking that feature. Pros: spacious design, outstanding stability, and smooth operation. Cons: lacks a glass top and storage options. Coming in at number 2 is the Inavar glass standing desk. This premium desk combines a tempered glass surface with a natural wooden top, offering both durability and elegance. The glass section can even be used for writing, adding functionality to its aesthetic appeal. Height adjustment is powered by a robust motor, with a range of 28.3 inches to 46.5 inches and 4 programmable presets for personalized ergonomics. The industrial-grade steel frame provides excellent stability, supporting up to 132 pounds. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, requiring only basic tools. The desk operates quietly, with noise levels as low as 45 decibels during height transitions, ensuring a distraction-free work environment. This desk is ideal for professionals who prioritize design and functionality. While it offers a spacious surface and premium build quality, its higher price tag may deter budget-conscious buyers. Pros: elegant design, robust motor, and quiet operation. Cons: higher price and no storage options. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the LiftSync 35-inch glass standing desk. This desk sets itself apart with its unique 90-degree tiltable tempered glass top, allowing users to adjust the angle for various tasks, whether it's writing, drawing, or working on a laptop. The glass is durable, easy to clean, and scratch-resistant, ensuring a pristine workspace. The desk also folds compactly for easy storage, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Smooth height adjustment is powered by a quiet motor, with 3 memory presets to customize your workflow. The desk supports up to 132 pounds and comes with lockable casters, offering mobility and versatility beyond traditional standing desks. The sturdy steel frame ensures stability during height changes, tested to withstand 50,000 lift cycles. This desk is perfect for creative professionals or anyone seeking flexibility in their workspace. While it comes with a premium price tag, its innovative features and build quality make it a worthwhile investment. Pros: tiltable top, foldable design, and mobility. Cons: smaller surface area and higher price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.